Quem que andou lá? Ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the United Kingdom embassy, and here I'm gonna speak to the Flying Fijian Vice Captain Nemani Nadolo. Nemani Nadolo, how is that preparation Fiji team is all about?
Really good, we're preparing really well, and with the help of guys like you in the squad, it really pushes us through. And guys like Nikola Matawalu, without him, this team does not go forward.
The prep of the first game against Canada, it's a build-up for the first game for the World Cup. What is your game plan for that?
Just to play well, train well, recover well, and prepare well because Canada first, and then we'll worry about England.
Ladies and gentlemen, Nemani Nadolo. Thank you.
Hey, 1711.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have, the electrifying, the electric. They call him the wizard at times. The magnifying. He plays his rugby at Bath Rugby. The new Bath Rugby signing, former Glasgow Warriors halfback Nikola Matawalu. Next, thanks for joining us. We know you've got a busy schedule ahead of you moving into the World Cup. So, how's the preparation been?
Boys are looking good. They're looking fit. We can wait for the first game against Canada to build up in the World Cup against England. Yeah.
Oh, mate, the halves is a big competition there with that number 9 spot with you, Henry Seniloli, and we got Nemani Nadolo, the veteran there. So, what can you add to this already awesome squad that we have?
Well, it's gonna up to the coach he's gonna choose who will be starting. Everyone is working hard, so it's up to the coach to take his number 9 jumper.
With the new haircut and the new look that you've got, did you get that from UK? What can the world is expecting Nikola Matawalu to light up the World Cup. Is that true? What can we expect?
We're gonna just chill, and then
sorry, just what?
We're gonna just chill in the ground, and then what happens, it will be happening.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, Nikola Matawalu.
Thank you.